probability practice exercises 53 and 54. All of the license plates in a particular state feature 3 letters followed by 3 digits. How many different license plate numbers are available to the state's Department of Motor Vehicles? So they didn't say if it was with repetition or without, but just from common sense, when we look at license plates, we do know that the letters and the numbers can repeat. So we're making the assumption that they can repeat. Okay, so we have 3 letters, and we have a choice of 26 for each of those positions, and 3 digits. Of course, that's 0 through 9, right? So we have 10 choices for each of those. So that's 3 digits. And so when they say how many different license plate numbers are available, it's kind of how many ways can that happen. So when I multiply across, I get 7,576,000. 54. A computer password must be 8 characters long. How many passwords are possible if only the 26 letters of the alphabet are allowed? Well, again, we are assuming that if somebody wanted to be lazy, they could use A 8 times. You get the idea. So 26 times itself 8 times. And I think as I'm writing this, I would like to discuss that the easier way to write this would be 26 to the 8th power. Now you're going to get scientific notation on this in your calculator. So if you get something that looks like this, just a second, let me erase this underline right here so I have room. You'll get something that looks like this on your calculator. Well, depending on what kind of calculator you have, right? That's scientific notation, which is written like this in standard form. So we're going to just be happy with that.